Have you ever faced a decision so tough it felt like standing at the edge of a cliff, unsure if you should leap? In the world of business, making difficult decisions is a critical skill that can shape your success. But how do you make these tough choices without second-guessing yourself at every turn? Difficult decisions can be made easier if you follow these simple steps. Think of a difficult decision as a major turning point. It's a moment that can propel your business forward or set you back. Making the right decision can open doors to new opportunities, while the wrong one can lead to setbacks. So why are these decisions so important? Making difficult decisions is crucial because you often get only one shot at making the right choice. Opportunities don't always come knocking twice. Imagine it's like climbing a tall tree. If you choose the right path, you'll get to enjoy the view from the top. But if you slip, it can be a long fall. This is why it's essential to approach tough decisions with care. Now, let's explore some common scenarios where you might need to make difficult decisions in business. It could be deciding whether to pivot your company's direction, choosing a new market to enter, hiring the right person for a critical role, or determining the right time to expand or downsize. Each decision has the potential to significantly impact your business. So how do you make a difficult decision effectively? The first step is to understand the reason behind the decision. Ask yourself why this decision is necessary. What are the goals you're trying to achieve? Is it to increase revenue, improve customer satisfaction, or enhance operational efficiency? Having a clear purpose helps guide your decision-making process. Next, consider the pros and cons of the decision. This involves conducting a SWOT analysis, identifying the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with the decision. For example, if you're considering entering a new market, evaluate the potential benefits like increased sales against the risks, such as high competition or regulatory challenges. The third step is to think about alternatives. Every decision has multiple paths. Explore different options and compare them. For instance, instead of launching a new product, could you improve an existing one? Are there other markets that might offer better opportunities? Evaluating alternatives ensures that you're making an informed choice rather than a knee-jerk reaction. Seek advice from trusted advisors. Don't go at it alone. Talk to mentors, colleagues, or industry experts who have faced similar challenges. Their insights can provide valuable perspectives that you might not have considered. Just like in a chess game, a second pair of eyes can spot moves you've missed. Once you've gathered all the information and weighed your options, it's time to make the decision and act on it. Remember, a decision isn't worth much if it's not implemented. Take decisive action and follow through with your plan. Whether it's rolling out a new strategy or launching a product, execution is key to realizing the benefits of your decision. After making a decision, it's important to embrace it fully. Don't dwell on the what-ifs. Second-guessing can lead to doubt and inaction. Instead, focus on implementing the decision to the best of your ability and making the most of the opportunities it brings. If you encounter setbacks, view them as learning experiences rather than failures. Celebrate the outcomes of your decisions, whether they're successes or lessons learned. Each decision you make is a step towards growth and improvement. Reflect on what worked and what didn't, and use that knowledge to inform future decisions. By continually learning and adapting, you'll build confidence and expertise in decision-making. Remember, making difficult decisions is an essential part of business. It's not always easy, but with the right approach, you can make choices that lead to success. So when faced with a tough decision, think clearly, evaluate your options, seek advice, and take action with confidence. Stay committed to your path, and you'll find that making difficult decisions becomes easier with practice. Good luck with your business decisions, and may each one lead you to greater heights. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechZnap for more business insights and digital knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.